Good morning mga ka-lifestyle. Ito ang aming Yamamoto Lifestyle. Good morning breakfast. Ayan, part 2. Good morning ulit, Daddy.
Good morning.
So, ito ang aming Daddy, Nani, imano asa gohan wa nan desu ka?
Europia.
Europia. これは
Vegetable.
vegetable. これは
Coffee. Black coffee.
black coffee. De
Banana.
monkey.
Monkey dyan. Banana.
Philippine.
Oo. Philippine banana. Tsaka babi.
Rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Ayan. At saka
Pineapple.
pineapple. At saka kore wa nani?
Chinky.
Ano yan, Daddy?
Sausage.
Sausage. Ayun. So, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Ayan. Ito ang aming simple breakfast. Ayan. Ito sa aming camp. Day 2 ng aming camp. Ayan. Kain tayo. Ayan. Enjoy life. Ayan. Ganito ang life na gusto namin ni Daddy habang kami ay nagkakaedad. Ayan. Happy day, happy times. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye na, Daddy.
Bye-bye. See you again.
See you again.